the Angels, Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with some mail from Ms Tena Wright. I'm sorry. Okay, and it's a little thank you card. I believe I did peek. It is a thank you card for joining her challenge that she had did a while back. And since I peeked already, it says thank you. I'm not going to read y'all what's in the card, but it was her 100 subscriber giveaway. And this is what she sent to me. I like this. I like a little bag topper. It's cute. So we're going to open this up. And we have a little notepad. Oh, this is going to be cute on some stuff. And a Dollar Tree card. I want to thank Ms Tena for everything. And I was more than happy to join in your challenge. It was fun. So, Ms Tena, thank you again for this. And I greatly appreciate it. And I will join the next one when you have another one. It's a lot of fun. Okay? So I want to thank everybody for watching. Please like, share, and comment if you haven't already. Hit that big red subscribe button. And then hit the notification bell to get notified when for more information, more crafty, more videos to come. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. Stay safe. Be well. Be kind. And also, thank you for watching again. And see you in the next video. And on the flip side. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye.